Tutorial number 15. So in this video we will talking about comparison operator and logical operators using if else statements. So comparison operator and logical operator in if else if statements. So we're gonna talk about this, and if you don't know about the comparison operator, so first checking this not equals and like this example. So we're gonna talking about using logical operator in JavaScript. So here is an example for you. So first choice equal prompt using getting input method, what is your favorite weather, and then we're gonna use temperature prompt what temperature you want to call, and then we're gonna use condition if, and then in this parenthesis a condition if choice is triple equals sunny, and so like this we're gonna use our comparison operator and logical operators in this. Okay, so now just starting our coding. I already discussed the comparison operator and logical operators in JavaScript. So first checking with this. Okay, so let's say let x is equal to the 20, and then we're gonna say condition. So if x is less than 20, or we're gonna do is better in this case is let x equal prompt enter a number. So if x is less than 20, so we're gonna say alert number enter is less than 20. So this is my first condition, and now checking with our second condition, else if x is greater than 20. So in this case we're gonna say alert number enter is greater than 20, and the third condition left. So what is the third condition in this? Maybe if the number is greater than 20 when we have used this condition, and if the condition less than greater than, and the third condition is alert number equal to 20. So this is a fantastic question, and let's okay, so going on to our command prompt again, doing cd documents directory, running our HTML file, so index.html. okay, so enter a number, and if we enter 29, number enter is greater than 20, good, and running again, enter a number 20, number equal to 20. So actually this is how we can use if statements, if else if, using our prompt method, using if else. Checking with the logical operator, so say let x equal prompt, and here we have a condition enter your age. So this is first condition, and let y is equal to prompt and enter your favorite number, enter your favorite number like this. Okay, and then we're gonna check with our conditions. So if, and here we put in parenthesis first, so if x is less than 18, and we're gonna check with the or in this. So saying if x is less than 18 or y is less than 20, so we're gonna use an alert statement, and in that alert statement we say your age is less than 18, and your, okay, so we're gonna use a black slash in this case, and your number predicted is less than 20. Okay, and then we have a second condition in which we say else if else if x is greater than 18, or okay, so we cannot okay, so let's check with AND operators in which both the conditions are true. So else if like this, so else if x is greater than 18 and y must be greater than 20, and again checking with our alert, and again saying ki your age is less is greater than, so I'm sorry, greater than 18, and your, using backslash again, and your number predicted is greater than 20, okay. And what is the else? Okay, and then we're gonna say again this statement. So copy this statement and paste it and put tab. Okay, so now we're gonna say ki your age is equal to 20 to 18, and your number predicted is equal to 20. So this is how we can use logical operator and comparison operator in JavaScript. So first checking our example. So enter your age, and if we enter age 90, and then it say enter your favorite number, and that is again 89. So your age is greater than 18 and your number predicting is also greater than 20. So this is the fantastic output which we got. And let's check with another example. So enter your age, and that is 18, and enter your favorite number. So my favorite number is 20. Okay, so your age is equal to 18 and your number predicted is equal to 20. Okay, so this is what we got. Okay, checking with our method in which if we don't put 20 and if we don't put our favorite number 20, then again we got this condition, because else is remaining for our all conditions remaining. So checking this example also. So enter your age, and my age is 20, okay, 201, and enter your favorite number, and we enter this 20, or then we again get your age is greater than 80 and your number predicted is greater than 20. So that's why we got this. Let's check if we have in else one of the condition is true. So enter your age, and that is 20, or that is 18, and the second condition in which we say the number predicting is 23. So your age is equal to 18 and your number predicted is equal to 20. So why we got this output? Because in this case, this if statement, this code of block is not executed because this statement is false, and this else if is also. So these two conditions are false in our case in which we enter a number. Okay, so that's why this else block is executed. So you can use any examples in this. Okay, so in the next part of the video, we will discuss about the nested if statements, the one if statement inside another if statement. So we're going to discuss about nested if statements in our next tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial, because in the next video we will discuss about the nested if statements. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel Coding India for Python, JavaScript and machine learning videos. Also you can join JavaScript tutorial for beginners playlist, because you can find each and every basic concept video of JavaScript in that. So subscribe my channel. Thank you.